So in this tutorial we're going to look at how to work linked double crochet. That's linked treble if you're working in UK terms. So this is just a row of standard double crochet. So I'm going to work my turning chain of 3. Then to start the first linked double crochet we're going to link it to this turning chain. So to do that we're going to insert the hook into the second chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now what this does is this replaces the yarn over that you would do with a normal double crochet. The rest of the stitch you work like a normal double crochet. So I'm going to insert it, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. So that's my first linked double crochet. So you can see here I've got these horizontal bars on my stitch. So to create, instead of yarning over like that, to create that yarn over, I'm going to insert the hook into there, yarn over and pull up a loop. So I'm starting my stitch with 2 loops, just like you would with a normal double crochet. So I'm going to insert, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, that's my second stitch. So you can see there's my horizontal bar I'm going to work into. So effectively you're linking each stitch to the previous stitch. So you just work that across the row. I've chosen a slightly larger hook for this yarn just so it's easier to demonstrate. If you crochet quite tightly you might find this challenging. Quite good practice at crocheting a little bit looser because you need to leave enough space to insert your hook into this horizontal bar here. So there is my first row of linked double crochet. You can see I have this line where we've inserted into the hook. Looks slightly different on the other side. So I'm going to work a few more rows and then you can see what the swatch will look like. I'll just show you the starting chain again, it will probably make more sense this time round. So there's your chain 3. You should probably insert it into the back loop, but if you're going to hide the edges it doesn't matter too much. So there you can see what the swatch looks like. You can see it kind of has a slight ribbed effect, so you can see the bars that you've worked into on alternate rows. And there, and then if you turn it over, you have the same offset on the other side. This is a larger swatch that I did in the same stitch, and you can see it's a really nice fabric, great for garments. You do have these little loops down the edges, but if you're seaming or adding a border, or this one I blocked, you can see they kind of block out, so it's not too much of a problem.